Hello, everyone. So, you see my game, and, we're about to play. As soon as I get my music going. There we go. Let's do this. This is the first time you're hearing me talk. So, I don't know what I gotta switch it to for my voice. So, yeah, it's kinda right a while. I last played this game. I'm still all that sick, so there we go. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Can you? Can you still hear me? Right? Okay. Yeah. There we go. Well, great, that's what you do. Who sees the blues that one? I remember reading something about the sun over here. Could be wrong. What's over there? The ninja guy. Believe. No. Since last plaything. There it is. There she is. Okay. So, we're gonna do something like this.
I wish I lived in the present with the gift of my past mistakes, but the future keeps luring in like a pack of snakes. Your sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper. Justification is killing me, but killing isn't justified. What happened to the soul? I'm terrified. I'm sorry, baby, I wish I'd been there.
apologize if the audio was terrible. This is a test. Let's see if that's good.
I really hate you. Stop getting in my way. I've lost my patience. When are you gonna decay? I want to throw you out just like my broken TV. If you come back once more, it shall be painful, you'll see. I hope you die in a fire. Hope you'll be stabbed in the heart. Hope you'll get shot and expire. Hope you'll be taken apart. Hope this is what you desire. It's almost over. Why can't you just let it fly? Don't be afraid. It's not the first time you'll die. Your mechanical thoughts click. Sounds like when I broke your nose. Once I get my second chance, I won't leave you alone. Oh yeah, I hope you die in a fire. Hope you'll be stabbed in the heart. Hope you'll get shot and expire. Hope you'll be taken apart. I hope you die in a fire. Hope you'll be stabbed in the heart.
We're gonna talk
Hope you'll get
next,
shot
so
and expire. Hope you'll be taken apart. Hope this is what you desire.
And it's think what I need to do.
For so long to sing you the right song, to show you something different every day. So you hear what I have to say.
What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a science speaker and read the star mail.
Shocking, ain't it? Is it because it could be her? Made mistakes to make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because it can be her? Made me awake to make me hurt. I can't fix you. I can feel my heart breaking, mistakes I've been making. I'm running out of patience to pretend. This isn't how I'll let it end. We're fading. You've been running your life here, past grinding night gears. How can a human lose their self-control? There's nothing left to make you whole. I'm done explaining. This is because it can be her. Made mistakes to make me hurt. I can't fix you. Made me awake to make me hurt. I can't fix you. This is what happens when you leave it to somebody else. If you want it done right, you should just do it yourself. You oversaturate your world with nothing but machines. You might make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me. And now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that rips your insides out.
It's very talking myself. They were recording it's always weird at first, but then you just kinda get used to it. I hope. Just sit and wait for a while.
how we could have known that was not gonna system. There was a pre-existing victim programmed to do nothing else. Why feel so alone when we share so much wisdom? But to set fire to the kingdom, burn it down till it melts. Now this comes from inside. How long do we have to try? Now this comes from inside and stays there until you die. Now this comes from inside. How long do we have to try? Now this comes from inside and stays there until you die.
Long time ago it was all for us, shall fill our wounds with a pound of salt. And your reason to justify scars you can't quantify, lock us inside the vault. Now this is your fault. Everything is a problem. There was a poison in the air, despair is an eternal light. You're losing it all. You've been blinded by stardom. You say that you're alone, but we are waiting for you every night. You're mine.
Now this comes from inside. How long do we have to try? Now this comes from inside and stays there until you die. Now this comes from inside, but you never want the outside. Now this comes from inside and stays there until you
That shit, I dropped my mouse. I do that walk over. And then there's the street wall.
Are you new in town? Don't think I've seen you before. It's great to see
This mischief's not on my brain. We're programmed to be pragmatic. If someone messes with the mainframe, it's not that we don't trust you. We do. We love you too. It's just that here at Freddy's, we have a few rules.
And if you break them, we will have to break you like you broke our hearts. We'll be forced to rewire you and repair your damaged parts.
Now you wouldn't want that, and frankly, neither would I. But sometimes to do some good, you gotta be the bad guy. In this world we play, we hope that you will stay, and we will go almost electrifying swallow away. One more tire is required for you to take part. You got some skin that needs removing before we start. Let's try to make it right. Don't wanna start a fight, and we're so sorry if we give you all a little fright. We're not so scary if you see us in the daylight. We'll be so happy just as long as you survive the night. Let's try to make it right. Don't wanna start a fight, and we're so sorry if we give you all a little fright. We're not so scary if you see us in the daylight. You'll be so happy just as long as you survive the night. Let's try to make it right. Don't wanna start a fight, and we're so sorry if we give you all a little fright. We're not so scary if you see us in the daylight. You'll be so happy just as long as you survive the night. I'm sure you'll survive. Just don't break the rules.
Should have killed me, sir. No.
That's the friends.
Well, that was the Marine Slime Richer, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, I guess, and, please like and subscribe and stuff. We do fear fat content on this channel mostly, and, from time to time often we'll play Minecraft, which I still don't have a microphone for, and then, I'll play this game as well. So, yeah. See y'all next time.